Hello everyone, this is Earth Archives. There are unknown creatures all over the world, and Japan is certainly no exception. The wild mallet snake we are going to talk about today is one of them. There are still hunting and bounty activities. Today we will learn about it. Before the show starts, please subscribe, share, and turn on the little bell. This will help us grow faster. Without further ado, the show begins. Introduction to Japanese mythology. Japanese mythology is a rich tapestry of folklore, tales of gods, spirits, and mythical creatures passed down through generations. From the sacred kami of Shintoism to the mischievous yokai that haunt the night, these stories have shaped Japanese culture and continue to capture the imagination of people worldwide. Among these legends is the tale of the wild mallet snake, a creature shrouded in mystery and intrigue. The origin of the mallet snake. The wild mallet snake, or Uchide no hebi, in Japanese, is a lesser-known but fascinating creature in the pantheon of Japanese mythology. Its name comes from the term, Uchide no kazuchi, a magical mallet said to bring fortune and wealth. The mallet snake, however, is not as benevolent as its namesake. Legends describe it as a large, serpentine creature with a mallet-shaped head, capable of bringing both fortune and misfortune to those who encounter it. The first encounter. The earliest recorded sighting of the wild mallet snake dates back to the Edo period, 1603-1868. In a small village in the mountainous regions of Japan, a farmer named Jiro was working in his rice field when he noticed something unusual. A strange, undulating shape moved through the water, catching his attention. As it drew closer, he saw the creature's distinctive mallet-shaped head and realized he was face to face with the legendary mallet snake. Terrified but curious, Jiro watched as the snake glided past him. Later that evening, he shared his encounter with the villagers, who were both fascinated and fearful. They believed that the mallet snake's appearance could bring a great change, either for better or worse. The mallet snake's powers. According to legend, the mallet snake possesses unique powers. It is said that if the snake strikes the ground with its mallet-shaped head, it can bring forth treasure or disaster. This dual nature has made the mallet snake a symbol of unpredictability and transformation. In one tale, a young fisherman named Taro encountered the mallet snake by the river. As he watched in awe, the snake struck the ground, and a treasure chest emerged from the earth. Taro, overjoyed, took the chest home and found it filled with gold coins. His family's fortune changed overnight, and they lived in prosperity. However, not all encounters with the mallet snake ended so happily. In another story, a greedy merchant named Kenta sought out the snake, hoping to gain its treasure. When he found it and demanded riches, the snake struck the ground, and a swarm of locusts emerged, destroying his crops and leaving him destitute. This tale served as a cautionary reminder of the mallet snake's unpredictable nature. Cultural significance. The legend of the wild mallet snake has permeated various aspects of Japanese culture. In literature, it appears in poems and stories as a symbol of change and the duality of fortune. Artists have depicted the creature in woodblock prints, capturing its mysterious allure. In theater, the mallet snake is sometimes featured in no and kabuki performances, where its presence signifies a turning point in the story. These performances emphasize the themes of fate and the consequences of human actions, reflecting the snake's legendary powers. The snake in modern times. While the wild mallet snake remains a creature of legend, its influence can still be seen in modern Japan. Folklore enthusiasts and mythologists study the stories and their impact on Japanese culture. The snake also appears in contemporary media, from anime to video games, where it continues to captivate audiences with its enigmatic nature. One notable example is the popular manga series, Mallet Serpent, which follows the adventures of a young hero who encounters the legendary snake and must navigate the challenges and opportunities it brings. The series has gained a dedicated following, highlighting the enduring appeal of the mallet snake legend. Exploring the legend's roots. To understand the wild mallet snake fully, it's essential to explore the roots of the legend. Japanese folklore is deeply intertwined with the natural world, and many mythical creatures reflect the environment and its mysteries. The mallet snake, with its dual powers, embodies the balance of nature and the unpredictability of life. Researchers believe that the legend may have originated from sightings of real, albeit unusual, snakes in the region. Japan is home to a variety of snake species, some of which exhibit unique behaviors that could have inspired the mallet snake myth. Additionally, the mallet-shaped head might have been a symbolic representation rather than a literal description, emphasizing the creature's connection to fortune and misfortune. Comparative mythology. The wild mallet snake is not the only mythical creature with dual powers in global folklore. Similar themes can be found in other cultures, where creatures symbolize both good and bad fortune. For instance, the Irish leprechaun, while often associated with golden luck, can also be a trickster who leads people astray. By comparing the mallet snake to other mythical beings, we gain a broader understanding of how cultures use stories to explain and navigate the uncertainties of life. These creatures serve as reminders of the complexities of fate and the consequences of human actions. Personal stories and oral tradition. One of the most compelling aspects of the mallet snake legend is the personal stories passed down through generations. Oral tradition has played a crucial role in preserving these tales, each retelling adding new layers of detail and interpretation. In the village where Jiro first encountered the mallet snake, elders continue to share the story with younger generations. They speak of how the snake's appearance brought the community together, sparking discussions about fortune, responsibility, and respect for nature. These personal stories enrich the legend, making it a living part of cultural heritage. The symbolism of the mallet snake. The mallet snake's symbolism extends beyond its powers of fortune and misfortune. In many ways, it represents the duality inherent in all aspects of life. Just as the snake can bring treasure or disaster, so too can human actions lead to varying outcomes. This duality is a central theme in many Japanese myths, reflecting a philosophical understanding of balance and harmony. Moreover, the mallet snake's mallet-shaped head can be seen as a symbol of power and authority. In ancient Japan, the mallet was a tool associated with construction and creation, as well as destruction. The snake's ability to wield this symbolic mallet underscores its role as a force of change. The mallet snake in art and media. The wild mallet snake has inspired artists for centuries, appearing in various forms of visual and performing arts. Traditional woodblock prints, or ukiyo-e, often depict the snake in intricate detail, capturing its otherworldly presence. These prints are highly sought after by collectors and art enthusiasts, offering a glimpse into the cultural significance of the legend. In contemporary media, the mallet snake continues to captivate audiences. Filmmakers and animators incorporate the creature into their works, blending traditional folklore with modern storytelling. One popular anime series, Legends of the Mallet Snake, follows a group of characters who encounter the snake and must navigate the challenges it presents. The series has garnered a global fanbase, highlighting the timeless appeal of the legend. Academic studies and interpretations. The wild mallet snake has also attracted the attention of scholars and researchers. Academic studies delve into the historical and cultural context of the legend, exploring its origins and evolution over time. These studies provide valuable insights into how folklore shapes and reflects societal values and beliefs. One notable study by Professor Hiroshi Tanaka examines the mallet snake's role in rural communities during the Edo period. Tanaka's research reveals how the legend served as both a cautionary tale and a source of hope, influencing local customs and traditions. His work underscores the importance of folklore in understanding the social fabric of historical Japan. The mallet snake's impact on modern society. Beyond its cultural and academic significance, the legend of the wild mallet snake continues to impact modern society. Environmentalists draw on the legend to promote conservation efforts, emphasizing the need to respect and protect natural habitats. The mallet snake serves as a symbol of the delicate balance between human activity and the environment. Additionally, the legend has inspired community initiatives and educational programs. Schools incorporate the story into their curricula, teaching students about the importance of folklore and its relevance to contemporary issues. These efforts help to preserve the legend for future generations, ensuring that its lessons remain a vital part of cultural heritage. Personal encounters and modern sightings. While the wild mallet snake remains a creature of legend, there are occasional reports of modern sightings. These accounts, though rare, add to the mystique of the creature. One such story comes from a hiker named Akira, who claims to have encountered the snake while exploring a remote forest. According to Akira, he was resting by a stream when he noticed a peculiar movement in the water. As he watched, a large snake with a distinctively shaped head emerged. Remembering the tales of the mallet snake, Akira quickly took a photo before the creature disappeared. Though skeptics dismissed the sighting as a misidentification, Akira's story reignited interest in the legend. Conclusion: the enduring legacy of the mallet snake. The legend of the wild mallet snake is a testament to the power of folklore and its ability to resonate across generations. From its origins in rural Japan to its place in modern culture, the mallet snake continues to captivate and inspire. Its dual nature serves as a reminder of the complexities of life, and its stories offer valuable lessons about fortune, responsibility, and respect for nature. As we reflect on the legend, we are reminded of the importance of preserving and celebrating our cultural heritage. The wild mallet snake, with its rich history and enduring appeal, remains a vital part of Japanese mythology and a symbol of the timeless power of storytelling.